Chapter 7, Sample Problem Number 6. In the figures below, balls are traveling in different directions. The balls have the same size and shape, but they have different masses and are traveling at different velocities as shown. Our task is to rank the kinetic energy of the balls. So, we start off by saying, well, kinetic energy is 1/2 the mass times the velocity squared. So if we rank mv squared, then we'll have ranked all of them. So for A, we would have 1/2 times 2m times v squared, which is mv squared. For B, we have 1/2 times 2m times 2v squared. Now we have to be careful over here because 2v squared is really 2 squared times v squared, or 4v squared. So we have here 1/2 times 2 times 4, which gives me a total of 4mv squared. And then over here we have 1/2 times 4m times v squared, which is 2mv squared. And finally, over here we have 1/2 times m times 2v squared. And again, as before, 2v squared is 4. 2v all squared is 4 times v squared. So we end up with 1/2 times m times 4vf squared, which is also 2mv squared. And that allows us to pretty quickly see that we have the following. We have that B is the greatest, and then C and D are the same, and then A is the least. So we end up with this for our ordering.